As World Vision Singapore's 30-hour famine ambassador, A-Mei puts herself into the shoes of the famine victims. In an experiential activity that is part of the camp, A-Mei found herself in the scene of a mock earthquake disaster with over 1,000 youths. She's injured and went reporting at a medical center to have her injuries tended to. Then comes the arduous task of finding her family, Bora.
Anybody from Bora? 有一个人来了 Bora 是谁 Bora 我的家人终于找到你了，好担心哦，是 Bora 对吗？没错，好。那我们现在怎么去找我们其他家人呢？那美女，我们走哪里？
Luckily for her, everyone was eager to help her reunite with her family members. The camera crew, the journalists, her fans, the students, and her personal assistant, all wandering around the school campus under the very, very hot sun. So finally, when they all found one another, it calls for a real celebration. Just when we thought that A-Mei is going to build a house with her long-lost family members, she was ushered off, leaving her family members wistfully watching her disappear into the distance. Our reason of the day: it's not easy to have a celebrity as a mother. Yes, even in a mock earthquake situation where she's only role-playing as your mother, it's difficult to hold on to her when everyone around you wants a piece of her as well.